Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kickin' 415. And we're gonna be playing some Among Us. I'm making an uncut video, so it's not gonna be edited or anything. Because I'm lazy and don't feel like editing on a computer. My mic is probably really bad, but you know what? Who cares?
Who cares?
And the quality of this video is probably not gonna be great, but. So I don't even know if I'm gonna post it, because if it's like really laggy, then I'm not gonna post it. But
Can we like start?
this is my picture. I am tan. I have this yellow fluffy coat. I have my mini crewmate. I have a lollipop, and oh, the little bandana. Let's see. My little crewmate.
It's so good.
Okay, guys, I'm very unlucky. I literally get I never get imposter. I literally never.
Oh my god, that worm is in the couch.
What?
It's true.
That worm is in the couch. All right.
It's true. Hi.
What did you say? What did you say?
What?
What did you just say? Before you said hi?
I don't know.
Okay.
What did I say?
I probably heard it wrong.
What did you hear?
A naughty.
Your mom, actually.
I heard something naughty.
Oh.
Did you say itch?
No.
What did you say? Oh.
Mean. Killed me. The guy with the hat killed. Oh wait, they both have hats.
Alright, guys.
That's the end of the video.
Yeah, it's the end of the video.
Oh, it's on.
I have that on. Okay, there we go. Colorblind text on? Wait, what? Oh, that turns on the, like, colors below the names. I see. I.
VY.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, no. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Know my ABCs. Next time will you sing with me? Yay! Okay, they started it. Let's see what I am. Probably gonna be crewmate again, like always.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god! What is wrong with the game?
Wait.
Oh, bra 11 left. No, not bra 11.
He was like super nice to me.
Yeah. Sophie, why are you? Oh, Sophie's calling me. Everyone will play Among Us with their friends. They mute each other. I mean, oh, Banana died. They mute themselves during the rounds, but it makes it boring, so I don't. Outside of electrical. Any. But. Yeah.
I don't really care. I don't really care. Mhm. Mhm. Mm.
Alright,
Mhm.
guys. Megamind, Gigabrain, that Ruddy Buddy, that Tricky Prey, Kickin' 4 and 5, and Sophie. Wow.
Kicking
Kickin'.
my way downtown, walking fast.
Alright, guys. Here we go.
Your mom.
I already did
Oh,
swipe. Dang! No, I don't even care about comms, man. I can find my tasks. I like really don't.
your mom's house and your dog's house. I keep moving backwards.
Dang. Alright, guys. We're doing this downloading task. We're done with the downloading task. Wait, I'm
Come on, child. Let's
in
go.
front of someone.
His name is Jimmy, by the way. My kid. His name is Jimmy.
Oh, mine is Craig. Bro,
Mine is Jimmy. Nice, Jimmy.
chicken you just killed.
Me?
Yeah, I literally saw you kill.
No, I didn't. No. 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 I was. No.
There.
Bro, back me up. Back me up. This one with the crown. Back me up. Back me up. You saw me.
If not 100% gray.
It's on me.
I says pink.
So.
Same. Same floor. Same.
No, don't make my baby be all alone.
No one cares about your baby. Everyone only cares about mine, and his name is Craig. It's spelled
No, Jimmy.
R-A-Y.
My Jimmy. My Jimmy. My Jimmy.
Spell my son's name.
My Jimmy.
Killed in front of me.
It wasn't me.
Dang it! It doesn't tell us.
It wasn't though.
You legit killed
Kick it.
in front of me.
Jimmy, it's okay. Jimmy, it's okay. Well, it's true. It's true. I would have told you.
Wait, so after was it you?
No, it wasn't me. I was sitting down here trying to do my task.
Shapeshifter, gosh.
What's it called?
Dang!
In storage.
Dang, man. Oh my gosh, it was pink and red. Maroon was right the entire time. Maroon kept saying, I think it's pink and red. Bruh.
Look at my baby, Jimmy. Jim, Slim Jim. Can we be the imposter, Taylor?
I really want to. We've never been imposter together, and I really want to.
Yeah.
Okay, I watched Hamilton, and now I can't stop listening to all the songs, and now I can't stop singing all the songs. So I'm sorry if I sing a bunch of random Hamilton songs, and I need to check everyone how long we're recording.
Do you want me coughing? I'm sorry.
Okay, 8 minutes. We're good for now.
I think I have anxiety, so then I have an anxiety cough. It's really fun.
Anxiety cough? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I'm like coughing. It's like, you know, your like fidget thing?
Yeah.
That's what mine used to be. Now it's talking. But I cough when I just do more coughing when I'm sick than I should.
Ah. I see.
I'm just going ahem. Sounds like
Mini crewmate, mini crewmate, corner, mini crewmate. I'm a mini crewmate. Have me. Oh
my
my gosh! Yes!
Yes.
Oh my goodness! I'm so
Golly Paul. Golly Paul.
I'm so happy! And we got it on camera.
Golly
Just a downloading task.
I am so happy right now.
Every day. Vent. I thought someone would be in medbay.
My mouth is happy. My mouth is happy.
Okay, we're good. I really want to get to actually do my strategy this round. Because I have a really good strategy for imposter, but like I never get to do it.
Your mom's house and your dog's house.
Okay. We're chilling. We're vibing.
Your mom. Yo, mama.
Alright. We're chilling. We're still chill.
Hey, Lollipop.
Alright.
Oh, Lilo. Leilale. Lo, Lilo. Leilale.
That was
Why are you
the best move I've
sitting
ever
around
made.
Mega Man? Hey, go. Ah!
That was risky. That was really risky. Whew. I'm really hoping they didn't see me do that. That was risky. Did it.
My nose.
Like you just type in all caps. Casually typing in no caps. I mean all caps. I did.
But Lollipop, like, oh my god, lick.
I did go there. I went there, killed someone, and left. So, yeah.
Go lick low.
I swear
Low
if
lolly.
you voted me, that's like really mean, so. Oh yeah, my friend sent me a video of her brother screaming.
That's really good for you.
It was actually hilarious.
Oh no.
Okay.
Go make milk. Go milk.
No one is like actually playing, so I'm just voting to kick them. Imposter kill.
Hey!
Alright, we need to kill Gigabrain and Megamind. Green and cyan.
Two people voted for me, and it wasn't nice.
Oh. That's mean.
I know, right?
Alright guys, we're gonna do downloading.
Same. Okay, I don't know why. Your mom's house and your dog's house. Okay, what do I need to do? I need to do something. Actually, I don't. I'm gonna. Do this.
Oh my gosh, I just saw you when I was about to kill you, and then I realized it was you.
God, well, it's me. Me like a piba, toda tita. Go make milk. Go make. Go make milk. Okay.
Okay, I am struggling. I can't find anyone to kill, man. Holy crap, everyone is in electrical. Cool. Pink is dead.
Cool.
electrical door so people can't find the body yet.
Golly, Paul, you trapped me in here with the body.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, no, I'm building. Good. I'm good here. Good. Okay. Go make smoke. Okay.
It's a meeting.
Megamind. No one likes. Oh, no one likes Megamind.
They called a meeting. Why does no one talk? Wait, it's white? Okay. Okay, white says it's you. Green says it's white. I mean, yeah.
It's.
Why is it white?
Proof. I.
Okay. Good enough for me.
Oh!
Oh,
Made it alive.
Alright, we have to kill one more person. Oh, we don't even have to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Woo.
I want to be impossible again. I didn't even get to kill anyone. Like,
You don't like killing people.
no, I love to.
It's my
I
favorite
just,
thing. I
I,
literally like kill everyone.
I find it nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Like, I actually get anxiety.
Oh.
Literally, y'all, literally.
Y'all literally.
Wow, you're so nice.
Literally.
I made this girl look so good.
Who?
I was doing a game before this, and I'm just like finishing it the past like while we're here in this area. It's a makeup game.
Oh.
Let me send you a screenshot of her face.
Okay. Well, guys, this is probably the end because this video is getting pretty long. If you want another